Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you the 5 best apps to identify any song in seconds. Let's get started. First on the list is Shazam. It's one of the most popular music recognition apps in the world. With just one tap, it can identify songs playing around you in seconds. It also shows lyrics, music videos, and connects with Spotify or Apple Music. Next up is SoundHound. What makes this app special is that it can recognize songs even if you hum or sing the melody. You can also use voice commands and instantly see lyrics for the song. Third on the list is Musixmatch. This app is known for its real-time synced lyrics. It can also recognize songs and display the lyrics while the music is playing, making it perfect for karaoke or sing-alongs. After that, we have Genius. Genius not only identifies songs, but also shows verified lyrics and explanations behind the meaning of the song. Finally, there's BeatFind. This lightweight app quickly recognizes songs and even includes a music visualizer that flashes with the beat. So if you ever hear a song and don't know its name, just open one of these apps, let it listen for a few seconds, and it will instantly tell you what's playing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.